Door hinges. At Simply Amish, we only use the best of hardware throughout the cabinet. Our door hinges are soft close and are made in Italy by a company called Salice. These hinges are covered by our lifetime warranty. We do not need to use a catch with this type of hinge. They are a European style hinge, which allows the door to open and close effortlessly and very quiet. These soft close hinges also feature multiple adjustments. This is great for when things are moved from one place to another. Sometimes the floors are uneven, which will cause the cabinet to be uneven, which then causes the door to be out of alignment. You will notice that there's an adjustment to move the door up and down. There's an adjustment to move the door in and out, and also from corner to corner. So there's 3 different types of adjustments on our Salice hinges. Visit our website for more information on the Salice hinges adjustments that are available.